Welcome back to my channel, Style Society. My name is Susan, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the makeup organization and vanity display products that I recently purchased from Winners and Marshalls. Lately, I've noticed that Winners has been carrying a lot of makeup organization products from the brand Impressions Vanity, Clearly Chic, Interdesign, Danielle, etc, etc. I thought it'd be a good time to show you some of the products that I purchased in case you wanted to swing by your local Winners and Marshall stores for the same or similar products. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have this lipstick holder that holds 24 lipsticks, and it's from the brand Impressions Vanity. This one was $7.99. I do like how it cascades upwards, so if you were looking at it from the front, you can clearly see all of your products. If you're not familiar with the brand Impressions Vanity, they are a company that makes a lot of makeup organization products, from swivel lipstick towers, brush case holders, LED mirror lights, even vanity stations that are super glamorous looking with Hollywood style lighting. Most of the products that I'm showing you today are actually from the brand Impressions Vanity, but if you are curious to see what else they have to offer, do check out their website. A lot of their makeup organization products are made of this acrylic material that seem to be of decent quality. I got this blush compact holder for $24.99, and this retails $29 US on the Impressions Vanity website. This one holds 32 blush compacts. The slots seem to be made of a decent width and does fit several different blushes, including the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. I've got NARS blush here, e.l.f., and also some NYX and Kevyn Aucoin blushes here. Similar to the blush compact holder, I got one for $24.99 that will hold your palettes. This one holds an Urban Decay Naked palette fairly well. I've got a Balm palette here. And there's also a section here for compacts. This one will let your palette stand upright so you can more easily see them and grab them a lot easier as well. Now, if you watch makeup collection videos on YouTube or follow other beauty gurus, you may have noticed that the IKEA Alex drawer unit is super popular for makeup storage and organization. That is because the drawers are fairly shallow, so it prevents you from overstacking products one on top of the other, which in turn prevents you from forgetting what you might have buried underneath and not use them. I too have an Alex drawer unit where I store my makeup, so I was pretty excited to actually pick up these drawer units because these ones are made to fit them perfectly. Two of these side by side will fix the IKEA 6 drawer unit on casters perfectly, and one of these will fit the Alex 5 drawer or 9 drawer units. For $7.99 each, I got these acrylic compact organizers, and all of the acrylic organizers I'm showing you today from the brand Impressions Vanity do have rubber feet on them, which prevents them from slipping and sliding in the drawers or on top of your vanity. For $5.99, I got this acrylic cube organizer which comes with a lid. I thought this would be perfect for holding things like cotton pads and cotton balls, basically things that you want to keep dust free. When I saw this acrylic brush holder selling for $29.99, I knew I had to get it. I'll admit, I do not wash my brushes quite as frequently as I should be doing. So when I saw that this one comes with a flip top lid, I thought this was perfect because it would keep my brushes dust free and a little bit more clean. This one is similar to the brush holder that I just showed you, but instead of 3 sections, this one only has 2, but also comes with 3 mini drawers to keep miscellaneous items in. I actually prefer this brush holder to the last one because the flip top is a little bit different in this one. So with this one, if you have a taller brush and it's kind of on an angle on the edge like this, when you close the lid, the bristles might actually get caught. Obviously, this is no good, and over time, you can ruin your brushes a lot quicker. You can try to prevent this from happening by putting beads on the bottom here to keep your brushes standing upright. With this brush holder, the walls here do go all the way to the top, and the flip top opens this way, so it actually won't catch the bristles quite as easily. Obviously, you don't need to spend $30 or $40 on a fancy brush holder. You can get something like this for $7.99 instead. Although there is no flip top to keep your brushes dust free, this shouldn't be an issue if you wash your brushes frequently. I got this drawer unit organizer from the brand Clearly Chic for $29.99. Compared to the Impressions Vanity brand, the acrylic on these aren't quite as thick and high quality, but I did see Impressions Vanity drawer units selling for $79.99, which is a lot more expensive. That's why I opted for something like this. This is also stackable if you choose to buy something from the same brand. This isn't a makeup organization product, but this is from the brand Impressions Vanity, and it's a LED makeup mirror. This mirror has a touch button. All you have to do is tap it to turn it on, and if you hold your finger on here, the light gets brighter. And you tap it again to turn it off. This one I saw regularly priced for $39.99 several weeks ago, and I thought it was a bit too pricey to pick up. When I saw it on sale for $29 at Winners, I decided to finally get it since I was looking for a new vanity mirror. And that's everything I've got to show you today. I hope you got some great ideas to keep your glam station organized. If you saw anything you're interested in picking up, do check out your Winners and Marshall stores now because like I said, they've been carrying these products a lot more recently. Thanks for hanging out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!